Hi, Martin here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on Mac. So by the end of the video you'll never have to worry about lost Wi-Fi passwords again. So let's get started. Okay, so maybe you've been disconnected from your internet, or maybe people are visiting and want access to the Wi-Fi, but maybe the sticker on your router is not easily accessible and you can't find the password written down anywhere. So whatever the reason may be, I'm going to show you two different methods that you can use to find out the password for your Wi-Fi. So firstly, if your Mac OS is all up to date, then we have a nice simple method that we can use to find our Wi-Fi. So what we're going to do is head over to settings, like I am here. We're going to click on Wi-Fi. And then from Wi-Fi, you can see I'm connected here, so I'm hotspot to my phone at the moment, but this will work a hotspot or your home network. On that network, we're going to go over to here. I'm going to click on these three dots, and on these three dots, I'm going to go to copy password. So that's all I'm going to do at this point in time. Then I'm going to go and open up a notepad here. And from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and hit Command V to paste, and that is my Wi-Fi password. So like I said, if your Mac OS is up to date, then you can use this very easy method to find your Wi-Fi password. But what if maybe you've got an older Mac or an older Mac OS, or maybe for whatever reason, maybe this method's not working? What other method could you use to find your Wi-Fi password? Well, in order to do that, what we're going to do is use something called keychain. So we're going to open up a Spotlight search, and from here I'm going to go keychain. I'm going to open up keychain access. So in this keychain access, what I'm now going to do in this list is look for my network. So you need to check what your network name is, and then I'm going to keep scrolling down. So I know here, and then I know here I've got Martin's iPhone. So you find the name of your network. What you want to do on there is just double click, and then you'll see in this attributes pane down here we have show password. So I can click on that, put in the password for my Mac, press OK. So what it's doing here is looking for my admin name and password to allow this. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Click allow, and now we can see my Wi-Fi password displayed on here. So maybe not something you need all the time, but when you do, this is incredibly useful information to know. So if you found this video useful at all, please give the video a like, comment down below, and then subscribe for more tech tip videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.